Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we're here to help you create a healthy daily meal plan for your precious toddlers. We've carefully designed this plan to cover all the essential meals, breakfast, lunch, snacks, and dinner. Together, we'll explore the foods we've chosen, their nutritional goodness, and how these choices play a vital role in supporting your child's growth and mental well-being. Our aim is simple: to provide a balanced and nutritious diet that gives your little ones all the important nutrients they need. We've handpicked a variety of foods from different groups to ensure their overall health. Remember, you can always adapt the portions and food options to suit your child's unique tastes and dietary needs. So, let's embark on this journey towards raising happy and healthy toddlers together. Oatmeal. For your toddlers, oatmeal is like a super breakfast. It's loaded with complex carbs and fiber, giving them long-lasting energy for their fun-filled mornings. Plus, it's packed with B vitamins that make their little brains work even better. So, not only does it keep them full of energy, but it also helps them think and learn all day long. Chopped berries. Chopped berries, like blueberries or strawberries, are like little health heroes for you. They're full of good stuff, like antioxidants and vitamin C, which keeps your body strong and ready to take on the day. So, munch on these colorful treats, and you'll feel super healthy and happy. Milk, whether it's the regular kind or plant-based, is like nature's builder for strong bones. It's loaded with calcium and vitamin D, which are like the superheroes of bone development. They make your bones strong and ready to play, jump, and explore. So, grab a glass of milk, and you'll be on your way to having sturdy bones that'll carry you on all your adventures. Scrambled eggs are like brain food. Eggs have the best kind of protein, which makes your body strong. And they're packed with something special called choline, which is like a magic potion for your brain. It helps you think, learn, and remember things. So, when you eat scrambled eggs, you're giving your body and your brain all the power they need to have an awesome day. Grilled chicken strips are like little muscle builders. They have something called lean protein, which helps make your muscles strong. But that's not all, they also support your brain because they're high in quality. So when you eat these tasty strips, you're giving your body the power to grow muscles and keep your brain super smart. It's like a double win for your body. Steamed broccoli is like a green superhero for your body. It's loaded with lots of vitamins that keep you healthy and strong. Plus, it's got fiber that's like a broom for your tummy, making sure everything runs smoothly. So when you eat this yummy green veggie, you're giving your body a big boost to stay healthy and feel great all day long. Brown rice is like an energy booster. It's made from whole grains, and these grains are like tiny powerhouses that give you lots of energy. They have something called complex carbohydrates, which are like fuel for your body. So, when you eat brown rice, you'll have all the energy you need to run, play, and have fun all day long. It's like a supercharged meal that keeps you going strong. Sliced oranges are like little vitamin C superheroes. They're packed with vitamin C, which is like a shield for your body. It helps your immune system stay strong and fight off any bad stuff that might make you sick. So, when you eat these juicy slices, you're giving your body the power to stay healthy and keep those sniffles away. It's like a tasty way to be a superhero and protect your health. Greek yogurt is like a superhero for your tummy. It's full of something called protein, which makes your body strong. And it has tiny living helpers called probiotics that keep your tummy happy and healthy. When you eat Greek yogurt, you're giving your body a double boost. It helps your muscles stay strong and your tummy feels great. So, grab a spoon and enjoy this tasty treat that's good for you inside and out. Sliced cucumbers and cherry tomatoes are like the coolest snacks ever. They're packed with vitamins that make your body happy and healthy. Plus, they're full of water, so when you munch on them, you stay super hydrated. It's like a tasty way to get all the good stuff your body needs while quenching your thirst. So, grab these colorful bites, and you'll be feeling awesome and refreshed. Whole grain crackers are like tiny power snacks. They're full of something called fiber, which is like a broom for your tummy, keeping things moving smoothly. And they have complex carbohydrates, which are like little energy packs that keep you going strong. So, when you snack on these little wonders, you're giving your body the right stuff to stay full of energy and feel fantastic. They're crunchy, yummy, and so good for you, all in one. Baked salmon is like a brain-boosting superhero. It's full of something called omega-3 fatty acids, and they're like super fuel for your brain. These special fats help your brain grow and work its best. When you have baked salmon, you're giving your brain all it needs to be super smart. So, enjoy this tasty fish, and you'll be on your way to having a brain that's ready for all kinds of adventures and learning. Mashed sweet potatoes are like a delicious bowl of energy. They're packed with vitamins, which help your body stay healthy, and they have fiber, like a broom for your tummy. Plus, they give you lots of energy to play, run, and explore. So, when you enjoy mashed sweet potatoes, you're filling up on all the good things your body needs to stay strong and full of life. It's a super tasty way to be super healthy. Whole grain dinner rolls are like the secret weapon of a delicious meal. They come with extra fiber, which is like a broom for your tummy, making sure everything moves smoothly. And they bring carbohydrates, which are like fuel for your body, giving you lots of energy. So when you enjoy a whole grain dinner roll, you're adding that extra boost to your meal. It's like having a superhero sidekick to keep your tummy happy and your body full of energy. Have a roll and enjoy the yumminess and goodness all at once. And there you have it. We hope this video has given you the tools and inspiration you need to create a wholesome daily meal plan for your beloved toddlers. By focusing on the essential meals and exploring the nutritional benefits of the foods we've chosen, you're well on your way to nurturing your child's growth and mental well-being. Our mission is clear: to offer a balanced and nutritious diet that provides your little ones with the vital nutrients they need. We've handpicked a range of foods from different groups to ensure their overall health, and don't forget, you have the flexibility to adjust portions and food choices to suit your child's unique preferences and dietary requirements. As you embark on this journey towards raising happy and healthy toddlers, remember that every step you take matters. Small changes can make a big difference, and your dedication to providing nutritious meals will have a lasting impact on your child's well-being. Thank you for joining us, and here's to a brighter and healthier future for your precious ones.